Let's open the next one. This is ये top ना मैंने, and this is black in color. Next up is this bodysuit. This is a plain white shirt. Next up is these Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm back. I am going to be doing a Shein haul today, and you guys already know. You guys knew it. This video was coming because of course इंडिया में Shein बैंड है, तो मैं आपको फटाफट से दिखाऊंगी मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया और मेरा 7 दिन में ऑर्डर आ गया बिकॉज मैंने ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर दी थी और कुछ चीज़ें मुझे रिटर्न भी करनी है. So basically the top that I'm wearing right now, this one is from Shein. And I like it, but I think I'm going to return it because the fitting, you can see, as you guys can see, is a little bit off. But the fabric is also, मतलब ये गर्मियों का fabric नहीं है, ये ना कुछ और ही पता नहीं कौन सा fabric है. But the look and the style is very very pretty. I honestly like this, but you guys tell me if I should keep it or return it. I don't know, but I think it looks good. I think I can keep it. I will decide in the end of this video कि मुझे क्या return करना है, क्या नहीं करना. But you guys, I have so much stuff from Shein. Let me just a thumbnail. ओके सो मैं आपको पिक्चर्स दे दूँगी साइड पे और आपको मैं दिखाऊंगी साथ साथ वियर करके कैसे. यहाँ पे कुछ भी फुल लेंथ मिरर नहीं है मेरे पास. बट आई एम गोना जस्ट गो फॉर इट. सबसे पहले है ये टॉप, द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. इसके यहाँ पे नॉट है, so you just tie it here and then we have a sweetheart kind of a neck, as you guys can see. It is nice, like I love the style, that's why I ordered it. and फोटो में भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. बस इसकी जो क्वालिटी है ना कपड़े की, वो मुझे इतनी पसंद नहीं आ रही बिकॉज आई थिंक इस पर मुझे थोड़ी सी गर्मी लगेगी अगर मैं ये पहनूंगी कहीं पे. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू रिटर्न इट. यस, आई एम गोना रिटर्न इट. लेट्स ओपन द नेक्स्ट वन. I have a dress. It is a colorful, pretty, beachy dress, and this is so beautiful. Oh my god, look how vibrant is that dress. This will suit my skin tone. I feel like I love such colors. This is how it looks like. इसकी बाजुओं में ना वो जो ऐसे फैब्रिक होता है जैसे खड़ा रहता है ना, it's like standing fabric so that your shoulders look bigger. It's like honestly it looks very very good. और इसकी डीप बैक है थोड़ी सी एंड पीछे बो बनी हुई है बैक में that you can tie. एंड इसकी लेंथ भी मुझे परफेक्ट लग रही है. आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट येट बट आई कैन नॉट वेट टू ट्राई इट. आई लव द प्रिंट ऑन इट. इसमें एक और प्रिंट था, वो आपको फोटो मैं स्क्रीन पे दे दूँगी. एंड यस, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज एक्चुअली इतना आई थिंक मैंने 500 दिरहम की वो शॉपिंग की थी विच कम्स अराउंड 11-12,000 रुपीज़ विच इज़ नॉट बैड इतना सारा सामान के लिए. आई ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड फॉर सम एक्सेसरीज. सो दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट top. This is like so beautiful. See, it has this big rose here and बाकी का plain है टॉप, बिल्कुल plain है. और मुझे ऐसे के टॉप्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है जो you know बिल्कुल ऐसे हाई फैशन जैसे लगते हैं. I think it looks really pretty. Like I love this color on my skin. Even in लिफाफे, oh god, इसको याद है मैंने Shein से इतना सामान ऑर्डर किया ना. It's like unbelievable. Let's open the next thing. Okay, this is a dress. I remember this. I found this really beautiful. I feel like इससे bright colors ना summers में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
बात तो सही है.
Especially when it's pink and red and colorful like that dress. So this is like a one shoulder dress and it's like full length. एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. इट्स ए लाइन ड्रेस, तो अगर आप थोड़े से कर्वी हो, थोड़ा सा आपका फैट है, तो इसमें वो छुप जाएगा और ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. सो आई एम गोना ट्राई इट एंड लेट्स सी. ये टॉप ना मैंने डाउट में ही मंगवाया था. दिस इज लाइक अ पू स्टाइल टॉप, बट ऑनेस्टली इट्स डज नॉट लुक दैट गुड. द क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट फैब्रिक इज नॉट गुड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द टॉप. इट्स अ ट्यूब टॉप. वेट कहाँ गया? Yeah, so this is the top I know, right? It's like the fabric I don't like. And then इसके साथ ये scarf आता है, तो picture में कुछ ऐसा लग रहा था. मैंने picture से impress होके मंगा तो लिया, but I think I'm gonna return it for sure. So I'm gonna add this in the lifafa again, and I'm definitely going to return this. Then I have, okay, next is a bodysuit. मैंने Shein से काफ़ी सारे bodysuits order किए हैं, and this is black in color. Even जो मैंने अभी टॉप पहना हुआ है, this is also a bodysuit. It looks nice, but I'm gonna return this because if I don't feel comfortable in a dress, I just don't like to keep it for myself. So it's like, you know, jiggling here and there. I don't like it. Next up is this bodysuit. It looks very pretty. You just have to wear inner inside, of course, and it's very pretty actually. I like it. It can look really classy if you wear and style it in a certain way. I'm gonna leave the prices on the screen for you guys. तो अगर कोई दुबई में आपका रहता है कोई भी, आप उससे मंगवा सकते हो. Then I have this. Okay, this is like so my style. This is a plain white shirt. I have a plain white shirt already, but this is something how it looks like. I love it so much. I think if it fits me well, I'm gonna keep it. It has this nice detailing on the collars, you can see, and it's so cute. I like it. I love it so much. So I'm probably going to keep this if it fits me. Next up is this. I think this is a off-shoulder top, if I'm not wrong. Just gonna one shoulder top. This is a plain crop top with ruffles on it. I love such kind of styles. I just love such, you know, colors. These are such summery colors. I love it so much. This is one shoulder and I like it. I think I'm gonna keep this. You know, if you wear such tops with like plain blue jeans, they look so good. Then, oh, I think I'm gonna return this as well because this is like not my style. I don't know why I ordered this. I liked it on the model, but I don't think so it will look good on me. This is how it looks like. This is a tube top with so many sequins ruffles on the bottom. I'm gonna actually try it and see if I like it or not, and then I'll decide. I think I'm gonna return this as well. This is the last piece of clothing. This is a jeans, and I haven't opened it. Oh, this is like the rhinestone material. This is like all over. It has rhinestones on it, and if this fits me, I'm gonna keep it for sure because it's so cute. Okay, now let's quickly move on to accessories. My chair is like annoying me so much.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Okay, so मैंने इस बार शीन से कुछ भी मेकअप नहीं मंगाया because I have so much She Glam makeup. अगर आपने मेरा She Glam haul और She Glam makeup like full face of She Glam देखा होगा, then you guys know I have everything from She Glam. But still I'm gonna order some new launches if I see any. But अभी मेरा पहला time shopping था Shein से, and I really liked कि वो 7 दिन में आ गया and it was really quick. So I'm gonna try some more stuff and let you guys know. Now for the accessories, I've got these eyelashes. See, these are like fluttery from the end and smaller in the start. So these are like very, I think they will look really good on my eyes. And then I got this very fluttery lashes actually. I don't know if it will look good on me or not. So, nah, I can't return the lashes if I'm not wrong. Okay, then I got this flower. This is like really in right now. Black flower on the neck here. It's very in. So I think I'm gonna keep it for sure. I love it. I haven't seen it yet though. Okay, so this is the flower. Okay, it's like just a simple flower. And you can just wear it like this. Oh, it actually looks really pretty. Like it. You know, you can just add it here and amps up your look. And it was really cheap. It was around like 5 dirham or something, which is like 200 300 rupees, so it's not that bad because you have to try things that are trending, right? Okay, then I got this ear cuff, which I'm really excited about. I'll just come closer to you guys. Okay, this is like a pair of ear cuffs, and then you wear it like something like this. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Wait.
One eternity later.
Okay, so you wear it like this. I have two of them, but I'm gonna be wearing one at a time. It looks really nice. It's very in. This is also like really like, high fashion. You can actually experiment with these things. Then I got this. This like heart shape fashion jewelry. Very fascinating. Okay. So this is how these earrings look like. Look how pretty. I really like it so much. I'm definitely gonna style this. I don't think so आप accessories return कर सकते हैं Shein पे मुझे anyways इसमें भी कुछ return नहीं करना. This is the last jewelry that I got. This is like this bow kind of earrings. How cute is that? It's going to be fun. This is so cute. Look. Wait. This is the cutest thing ever. Look. I love it. Yes, guys, the quality of the accessory is also really good. That is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me know मुझे और क्या try करना चाहिए दुबई से. क्या try करूँ? Let me know. I'm really curious to know. And yes, if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.